Welcome to this wireframing tutorial. Today, we are going to show you how to design a mobile job finder app using MockFlow's Job Search Mobile Pack UI kit. This kit features a wide selection of ready-to-use, drag-and-drop components, neatly organized into categories like job listings, descriptions, details, and more. Each element is fully customizable, allowing you to create a polished app quickly and efficiently. We'll start by adding a ready-to-use mobile frame, which sets the base for all the app screens. Once that's in place, drag and drop the status bar component. This adds realism by displaying standard phone indicators like battery level, signal strength, and time. With the base setup ready, we'll begin designing the onboarding screen, the user's first impression of your app. Add an attractive image related to careers from MockFlow's image library, followed by a catchy title such as Start Your Job Hunt Today, a brief description of the app's value, and a prominent CTA button labeled Get Started. Don't forget to include a home indicator bar to guide users to the mobile home screen from the app. Clicking the Get Started button will take the user to the home screen. Here, we'll add the bottom navigation bar to guide users through the app. Along with a customizable top bar that displays the user's profile name, picture, and a notification icon. Below that, insert a search bar component to allow users to find job listings by title, keyword, or location. Just below the search area, we'll create a hero section that grabs attention with a compelling tagline such as How to Find Your Perfect Job. To this section, we'll add a CTA button like Read More and a relevant supporting image from the MockFlow's image library to visually enhance the message. Next, we'll add a recommended jobs section that displays listings tailored to the user's interests. For this, use the Favorites component from the Job Page section of the UI kit, which showcases jobs in a visually engaging format. To let users explore more opportunities, add a View All option that links to a detailed job list. For each job, we'll design a job description page by reusing the mobile frame and status bar. Begin this screen with a top bar for the job details, followed by the company logo, company name, and job title or designation. Below that, display the job type, such as full-time, part-time, or remote, using the Job Details tab component. This organizes the job classification clearly for the user. You can fully customize these job type tabs. And next, we'll show key details like salary and location. To enhance readability and add visual cues, use icons from MockFlow's icon library. After that, include a dedicated job description section that outlines the role's responsibilities and qualifications. Use clean formatting, bullet points, and adequate spacing to improve readability and user experience. Once users have reviewed the job, they'll likely want to take action. Add a ready-made CTA button labeled Apply Job, and for those who want to revisit the job later, Include a save icon to bookmark the listing. And there you have it, we've wireframed a complete mobile job finder app using MockFlow. With the help of ready-to-use components and a structured design process, you now have a visually engaging wireframe that's ready for prototyping or development. Enjoyed the tutorial? Hit subscribe for more design walkthroughs like this.